Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing this foldable desk lamp from Honeywell. I got reached out to them. I think this is a company that kind of just has like rights to use their name because on the side here it is manufactured or made by Ming Technology Guangdong Company Limited. So definitely not Honeywell like first party, but they, at least in their email to me, said they were authorized to sell this under the Honeywell brand. Don't know how that works. Don't know if that's legit or not. So take that how you wish, but it is branded Honeywell. It is sold on Amazon. It is a foldable desk lamp with dual USB-A and C charging ports, professional eye protection, CRI, RA95, high color rendering index, RG0, no blue light hazard, and 0.0% no strobe hazard. So yeah, I don't know what all that means. I mean, obviously the no strobe hazard is pretty self-explanatory. Box is kind of tall. I do plan on using this kind of for my videos and stuff on my desk. As you can see, it is kind of dark on this side because my monitor light, now that I have 3 monitors, does not reach over this far. The cord doesn't. So I don't have one on top of this monitor over here. And I kind of want to branch out on the videos and stuff like that in terms of showing like my whole desk and my setup and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to try some different things here. So I can't really see exactly where this video is at right now, but we're going to be trying some different things here now that I'm redoing my setup. You guys can follow along. I've got a few videos doing that. We have a not proprietary, but we have a barrel style power adapter right there, so it's not like USB or anything like that. I kind of wish it was just USB-C, but is what it is. Take this out of the box. It looks like it's got like 2 little flaps you have to pull out there. And I believe that is it in the box, minus, I think there are some instructions in there, but you don't really need instructions. So it is a foldable lamp. It's got a little stand on it. So my idea for this, if I can get it out of the packaging, looks like it's in there. It's in there twice. Lord. All these companies want to be eco-friendly and stuff, but then they got lamps wrapped in miles of plastic, but we can't get phone chargers included because of the environment. Makes sense. All right, so there we go. It is I like how adjustable it is. You can fold it, you can stick it, you know, like turn it, rotate it. So it goes, you can, straight back or straight towards you. It doesn't go up, so it's not 180 or it's not 360 degrees, but it does go pretty far up like that, straight up and down. So I'm thinking this would be pretty cool to kind of just place, off to the side, kind of angle it like that and give some nice even lighting for like covering like unboxings and stuff like that. So we'll try that out. Let me see if this cord will reach over to my outlet that I have right here so we can power it on. It does have adjustable brightness by the looks of this dial. I think it's just push on and off. So let me see if I can get this plugged in. The cool thing about this camera is the mic is Bluetooth, so you guys can, I want to show this power adapter real quick. It looks like it's backwards. Like the writing is on the outside rather than the prong side, which normally it's like under here, so you don't like see it when it's plugged in, but whatever. Plug that in. It's just barely going to reach for just temporary purposes of showing it on video. So there we go. It's got different color temperatures. You can rotate through, and then you hold to turn it off. And you just rotate it to change the brightness. So yeah, that's going to be really, really nice for doing like a video like right here. It won't be in the way. You guys you'll be able to see this right here. All that kind of stuff. I'll probably put it, I don't know where I'm going to put it. I might just pull it out when I make a video and put it off to the side, kind of like it is right now. Just because it's easier. But there you can see the USB port and all that kind of stuff on there. And then the dial, it's got the plastic on it right there as well. But yeah, just hold to turn it off, push to turn it on, rotate to adjust the brightness, and then you just tap it once to adjust the color temperature. So there we go. Like I said, you can rotate it any which direction. So nice little desk lamp, out of the way, nice base. Like I said, it's got the USB charging ports. I don't really know what speed they are. I didn't look. I don't know that it particularly says. It just says A+C. It doesn't specify like speed, and I don't have anything to plug into them right now to try it out. I'm not too concerned about it because I'm not going to be using this as any kind of charger or anything like that. I don't plan to. It's just going to be used as a light. So there we go, the Honeywell desk light, foldable, all that kind of stuff. You'll see this coming up in some videos. So I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Link will be down in the description if you're interested in checking this out or picking it up for yourself.